Hey guys, welcome to the episode 2 of our Honda build. I am removing exterior parts of the vehicle for better paint job. I am going to remove rear and front bumper, headlights and taillights, side skirts, mirrors, etc. Let's go! Here I am using fishing line to remove badges. Let's get that license plate out of the way. Back is stripped. Let's move on to front. Let's take that front bumper off. Front bumpers removed. Now I am going to show what sanding supplies we will be using. We are going to use anywhere from 180 to 600 grit sandpaper, 6-inch interface pad with orbital sander. Also, we are going to use DuraBlock kit. Good stuff. Starting off by removing dead paint. In some areas, we will have to sand deeper to do body work. Bonnet had a different color. Therefore, there is no paint damage. So we will lightly scuff, so primer filler has something to adhere to. I did not record myself priming and painting the car because my camera would shut off after 5 minutes of recording, so that was very frustrating. Especially when I had to mix the vehicle for the first time. Hopefully I can upgrade my camera in the future. So here, I applied primer surfacer and allowed it to cure, and now it's ready to sand. Here, I am using guide coat to help me with sanding. Oh, by the way, during the disassembly, I broke 2 door handles. Luckily, I was able to get them at my local scrapyard. Factory grill has to go. We are replacing it with sports grill. Also, we're going to add aftermarket lip to give it more beefier looks. That's the car after I painted it. Looks not too bad. However, it has lots of orange peel. Painting front bumper and lip. Headlights restored and look new again. I couldn't find grille surround in factory color, so I had to buy one in gray and then color match it. I was waiting for over a month for it to arrive from Japan. After spending many hours of wet sanding and polishing, that is the final result. I also have lowered the car on coilovers. Totally forgot to record that. It sits nicely on teen coilovers. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like the transformation?